we are going to learn about chemical effect of electrical. Before that, I want to ask some questions. What is mean by conductors and insulators? What is mean by conductors and insulators? In metals and non-metals you already learned, right? Yeah. You all know that metals are good conductors of electricity, right? Yes, what is mean by good conductors of electricity? And some materials are bad conductors of electricity. They are known as insulators. Hmm? Conductors and insulators. What do you mean by conductors? They are good conductor of electricity. What are insulators? They are bad conductors of electricity. Example for good conductors of electricity are metals. In that metals and non-metals chapter I already told. Metals are almost all metals are good conductors of electricity. Right? Yes. Non-metals are bad conductors of electricity. So they are insulators except graphite, right? Yes, all those things we already discussed. What is mean by conductors and insulators? Tell me some examples for conductors and insulators, children. Metals such as iron, aluminium, copper, they are good conductors of electricity. And then rubber, wood, glass, plastic, stone, etc. are bad conductor of electricity. So they are insulators. Find out whether a particular substance conduct electricity or not. How you can find out? You can connect it with a battery and bulb. If the bulb glows, then what will happen? Current is passed through that circuit, right? Yes. The bulb doesn't glow means current is not passed through that circuit. These all things you already learned. Now, the next question is, what is our next question? Do liquid conducts electricity? Similar to that of solids. You know that some solids are good conductors of electricity and some solids are bad conductors of electricity. Similar to that of solids, liquids also show some similar character. Some liquids that conduct electricity and some liquids that do not conduct electricity. How we can find out whether a liquid conduct electricity or not? We are going to discuss about whether a particular liquid is conducting electricity or not. Here you can take a beaker and the solution to have test you have to pour in that beaker. The solution you have to pour in that beaker and you have to dip to conducting rod in that solution. You have to dip to conducting rod in that solution. Okay? You can take copper rod or iron rod or aluminium rod. Okay? You can insert to iron nail. You can insert to graphite rod. Got it? First you have to pour. The liquid have to test in that beaker. Then dip to metallic rod in that beaker. Then you have to connect this rod with a battery and a bulb. Okay? Battery and a bulb. Whenever these rods are connected with a battery, then what will happen? Current will flow through that circuit, right? Yes. Then current starts flow through that rod. Okay. And this current will flow through that liquid and reaches to second rod. Then current pass through that rod and then to wire, then reaches to that bulb. Then the bulb glows. Okay. And then the circuit continues. You have to understand from this experiment, children. If the liquid is conducting, then what will happen? Electric current is passed through that liquid, right? Yes. So the bulb glows. If the liquid is non-conducting in nature, then what will happen? Electric current is not flow through that liquid and bulb doesn't glow. Got it? It is better to use LED bulbs instead of normal bulbs. LED bulbs has more accuracy than that of normal bulbs. What is mean by LED? What's the full form of LED? Light emitting diode. Okay, light emitting diode. Similar way, you can find out whether a particular solution is conducting electricity or not by using above experimental setup, children. Okay, first you have to, what you have to do? First you have to take a beaker, then pour that liquid in that beaker, then dip two conducting rod in that solution and connect a battery and then a bulb. Then what will happen? If the battery is connected, the current starts flow, right? Yes, if the solution is conducting, then the bulb glows. If the solution is not conducting, then bulb doesn't glow.